Yo, what's good everybody? So today is Mamba Day that I'm recording this. And me personally, I really don't even know why they call it this day, Mamba Day. Now I know the reason that they gave it. This is Kobe's anniversary of his last game in the NBA against the Utah Jazz where he dropped 60 points. So, you know, shout out to him. Rest in peace to Kobe. But they called this day Mamba Day as well, even though we already have 824. But they decided to drop 3 pairs of Kobe's. This one right here is the Phillies, then we got the Venice Beach, and then we got the Italian camos. Now I did get all 3, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see all those videos. And I'm even going to drop a behind the scenes video just showing me picking up all the pairs and me selling them and all that good stuff. But it's going to come out at a later date because I did end up winning the Italian camos on sneakers. Now I also did hit these for retail as well. I got them at the store, and now they do this like event where every first Sunday of the month, you get to go to their store, you get to play games, and you get to hit for retail if you win the games. Now, funny story about this, and I'm gonna try and put the clip up there if I still have it in the video. Let's see what I got in a bit. Look at that. Man, you know my side. You know my side. You made it? Yeah. I did. First shot out the gym.
What'd you grab it?
Yeah.
Which one? The Philly is the 4, the Italian camo is the 6, and then the Venice Beach is the
Do y'all have any of them in a 14?
Venice.
That's the. Let me look at them real quick. Yeah. But so you play cornhole and you play cup hole, and each shoe has like 5 slots available, right? So you gotta hit your cornhole as fast as you can because the line do be deep, especially if it's something hype like the Kobe's. Now, I was one of the first people to win, but I was really contemplating on which Kobe I should get. So when I won, I told the dude, I was like, hey, is it cool if I go in the store, look at him, and then give you my decision? He was like, yeah, that's cool. So I went in there, took a video for the gram, FaceTime my brother, and showed him everything. I come back out, and I was like, all right, I want the Italian camos because I was like, I think those are more limited, right? And so just getting some little extra paper. And then he's like, man, the dude that just walked past me, he got the last slot. I was like, ah, dang. So I ended up getting the Phillies. But everything all worked out anyways because I got the Phillies from there, got the Italian camos from sneakers, and then I got my Venice Beaches from Shoe Palace. So it all worked out and I'm able to get all 3. So without further ado, man, let's get straight into the unboxing, bro. So standard Kobe box. There's no reason to change this. These are all re-releases. Also, if you're not aware, these are all re-releases. I think these came out in 2009. Check me if I'm wrong. I know the camos was 2011, and I think the camos was 2013, and then the Venice Beach was 2011. So correct me if I'm wrong, but it's somewhere around these. These already came out a long time ago. A lot of the newer people don't really know, or people just not familiar with it. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I don't remember the Phillies. I don't remember the Phillies coming out. I for sure remember the Venice Beaches and the Italian. So I thought this was a new release. My bad. My knowledge ain't up there. I'm a D Rose fan. My dad was a Kobe fan. I'm a D Rose fan. So I ain't even gonna sit here and pretend to y'all, you know, I'm some Kobe fanatic. I just get the shoes, you feel me? So regular Kobe box, Mamba logo here, snake skin all around. Got the Nike swoosh on the back. Now let's get into the sizing. So it says Kobe Forward Protro, colorway Varsity Royal /white. It's a size 13, and the color code is FQ3545-400. Now let's open these bad boys up, man. And me personally, I'm actually, yeah, y'all see them. And me personally, out of the 3, honestly, these are my favorite. It's really a toss-up between these and the Italian camos. I would say, you know, if I were to go back to like middle school days and rock my hoop shoes as casual wear, I would definitely whip these out for casual wear. Now, if I'm hooping, you know, I want to show my skills on the court, I'm definitely rocking the Italian camos. I think that's just more my speed. But let's get straight into the details. So as you can see, we have this reflective hitting off of where the stars are. and that's because I have my flash from my camera. So it does have that reflective 3M material where the stars are shining, so that's also a dope material. Then it goes all the way back to the heel tab, as you can see, with Kobe's signature right here on the guard of the heel tab right there. So that's pretty dope as well. Love the details, obviously. Now, if you're not familiar with why is it red, white, and blue, because that's obviously the theme of the shoe. We got the white Kobe Mamba logo right here. It's because originally Kobe is from Philly, so this is just kind of like a remembrance of where he's from. And then there's also another detail in the shoe that I'm gonna show you guys a little bit later that kind of just adds on to it. But he's from Philly, so it just goes ahead and shows just like the Philly colorways. Obviously we know what the 76ers jerseys look like, so it definitely has all of those, and they came out pretty good. I really like these. Next we have kind of, I guess, like the flag theme kind of laces, white and red right here. So you'll see like the pattern of the white and red. That's pretty dope as well. Now matching with that pattern, we have the Nike swoosh on both sides with the white in the middle and the red outlining. I think that's pretty dope. And now these lines right here, this is gonna be the Flywire material. So this is basically just the technology that they use in the shoe, because obviously this is a basketball shoe. For the people who forgot, for the people who just fall into the hype or whatever, this is kind of material that they use just for like some stability, obviously for your lateral movements and things like that. So Kobe's are always, I still think that they're one of the better, if not one of the best performance shoes basketball wise that we have in today's game. So I think that's pretty dope as well. And continuing with the performance as well, on the bottom, as you can see, right here on the bottom, it says Zoom Air, so that's also the same technology you'll be getting. And obviously, I'm pretty sure that they've revamped the shoe from 2009, from wherever they came out, to make it up to date with today's standards. You got all these athletic kids, bro. They be jumping out the gym, so you know, I'm more than confident that they up the technology in the shoe as well from back in the day. Now, next right here on this like upper material, it's this synthetic upper of the Varsity Royal Blue, and it's kind of like that plasticky, rubbery feel. You know, just, it's not bad or anything. It's just, I think most people kind of like feel weird about it, or they'll think like it's kind of like, I don't know, because even on the toe box a little bit, it kind of feels like suede, not really. But as you can see, I'm rubbing my finger right here, and you don't get any of those marks. So it's kind of just that synthetic material right there, which I have no issue with this. I actually like this material better if you're going to use these for hooping, just because it won't damage the toe box as well. You can get some pretty good wears in it before it starts to show its damage. Now, going on more, we have the 24 on the back, so just showing his number. And then in the inside of the sock lining, we have this silk inlining right here, and it's kind of shining, so I like that as well. Just attention to details, and it looks pretty cool as well. Now, the detail that I was going to show you guys that I was talking about earlier is on the insole, and like I said, this is just to commemorate his birthplace. So on the inside of the sole, I'm trying to take this one out. Man, they be gluing these soles in there, bro. All right, there we go. This one's a little bit easier. So on the inside of the sole, this date right here is Kobe's birth date, which is 08/23/78. So shout out to him, rest in peace. And then we have the stars surrounding it all with the Nike swoosh at the bottom. I think that's just pretty dope as well. So love the details on it. You know, and me personally, I like how they did this instead of like all of the other shoes, like the Mamba stuff like this. If we want to go ahead and you know, commemorate him and things of that nature, let's go ahead and show some actual details. Let's go ahead and put a little bit more effort in these shoes instead of some of the previous Kobe's that we got. I wasn't the biggest fan of how they did some of it. A lot of them lacked a lot of details, but if you're gonna bring back a shoe, let's go ahead and you know, just make it right? So obviously we're gonna celebrate, well, not celebrate, but you know, just honor his death or whatever. Let's go ahead and do it right. So we want to have it, we just want to execute it well, and I think that these were executed phenomenally, honestly. Okay, as you can see, I'm struggling with the insole, so I'm going to do that off camera. But that's it for the unboxing, man. Let me know what y'all think about these. I think these are actually pretty dope. Like I said, I would definitely wear these just for like casual wear. I'm selling them though, I'm not gonna lie to you. I sold all my Kobe's. The only Kobe that I think about that I might be keeping is my Mamba, which is up here. I got a 13.5. I got lucky on sneakers, so shout out me, shout out to Sneaker Gods, whatever you want to call it. But I think just my days of wearing basketball shoes for casual wear is just over, man. But let me know what y'all think. Did y'all get a pair off of Sneakers? Let me know if y'all got that, because these are actually at a decent amount of places. You could have got these. Like I said, these were at a lot of tier 1 and tier 0 stores. I would say out of the 3, this was the semi-limited. I'll say the Italian camos were the most limited, but these were at tier 1 and tier 0 stores and some Foot Lockers as well. So you had some decent chances. Now, obviously, they didn't have the same stock as the Venice Beaches, so at Foot Locker, don't be surprised if you want the Venice Beaches and not these. So yeah, I'm very curious to see if y'all got these, and then if y'all didn't get them, do y'all plan on getting them after this review? If my, you know what I'm saying, my unboxing changed y'all mind about them, if y'all want to go ahead and pay that extra resale, which is actually, it's not bad at all. The resale on these are really not that bad. It's around like the mid 300s, which again, for all the past Kobe's, you know, after his death, they've all been 4 and above, to be honest, right? Except maybe the Halos, but those suck. Those really suck. But anyways, this is actually, it's a good price, so it's not the worst possible, right? Especially for a shoe like this. But then again, it did come out, and all the other ones, they never came out except for the regular wrenches, right? So yeah, let me know, man. Let me know if y'all got that dub, y'all got that L. Let me know in the comment section below, man. And with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next video. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, man, because I got 2 more. I got the Venice Beaches that I'm finna literally film right after this. Finna swap these shoes off this table. And then I got the camo from Sneakers. And then we got the behind the scenes, man. So there's a lot of content that we're gonna get done, man. And also, if you want me to do like a certain shoe, or if you want something added to the videos, just any type of constructive criticism that you want to see, any type of content that you want to see, literally let me know in the comment section below. I've been seeing a lot of people, and it actually has been helping me a lot lately. I just got to 500 subscribers, so again, I thank you for that. Now my next plan is to get some more watch hours so I can be able to start my monetization journey. And I got some merch as well. Not really merch, but just clothing. So all the jackets and all the shirts and sweaters I wear on my videos are all of my brand. And I just want to wait till well, I don't necessarily want to wait, but I just want to make it easier for you guys to just, if you are interested, you guys can just watch the video and see it directly on the video you're watching, directly on the channel. I don't have to redirect you anywhere else. And if you like it, if you want to support, then you can do that as well. So help y'all, man. Just give me all the type of content ideas. I'm ready to make it. I'm ready to grind. I'm ready to make some more content. So I really appreciate y'all. So with that being said, man, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.